Next one question of the inverse of the matrix is now verify the inverse property. If A and B are given, then verify inverse of AB equal to B inverse into A inverse. First we find the value of A and B inverse, then multiply AB. A inverse. A inverse is equal to A inverse is equal to, now we find the A inverse. Is equal to one determinant of A. What is the inverse? One upon determinant of A, 1 upon adjoint A upon determinant of A. Now the adjoint A this is the A inverse. Now adjoint A equal to, this is the 2 by 2 order, this is the 2 by 2 order matrix, then the adjoint of A interchange the element of the main diagonal element and the change the sign of the main off diagonal element. This is the adjoint of A. It is clear, everyone? Interchange the main diagonal element to 3 replaced by 0, 3 replaced by 0 and 0 replaced by 3. It is clear? Main diagonal element interchange and the main off diagonal sign the change the main off diagonal element. 1 replaced by -1. -4 and 4 replaced by -4. It is clear? This is the adjoint A. Now we find the value of now find the value of A inverse. Now we find the determinant value. Determinant of A is equal to, this is the 2 by 2 matrix, then the determinant is the difference of the cross multiplication of its element, then 3 into 0, 0 minus 4 1 is 4 and the value of determinant is -4. It is clear? Put all the value from the equation first. Now we come to the equation first. From equation first. A inverse adjoint A is equal to -4, determinant -4, and adjoint A value is note down here. This is the A inverse value. Now we find the B inverse. Now we find the B inverse B inverse equal to the formula of B inverse adjoint B upon determinant of B. Adjoint B upon determinant of B. And take the equation 2. Now we find the adjoint B. Adjoint B equal to interchange the element of the main diagonal element and replace the sign of the main off diagonal element in the matrix P. Then we find the adjoint B. It is clear, everyone? Now we interchange the main diagonal element 4 replaced by 5 and 5 replaced by 4. This is the shortcut method to find the value of adjoint. In the long cut method, find the cofactor of each element C11, C12, C21, C22 because the element number of element is 4. Then we find the number of 4 cofactor. Then we find the cofactor matrix, and after that we transpose of the cofactor matrix. Then we find adjoint of B. This is the long procedure. But in the shortcut, if in 2 by 2 matrix, if we interchange the main diagonal element and replace the sign of the main off diagonal element, we find the adjoint. It is clear? Now we change the main diagonal element, interchange the main diagonal element, 4 replaced by 5, 5 replaced by 4, and replace the sign of the main off diagonal element. So 0 is taken -0, the value is also 0, and 2 is -2. This clear? This is the adjoint B. Then the B inverse. Now we find the determinant of B is equal to the difference of the main diagonal element 4 5 20 minus 0. The main diagonal element determinant of what is the value is B 4025 with the determinant find the difference of the cross multiplication. So 4 5 that 20 minus 0, the value is 20. It is clear, everyone? Now we from equation second, from equation second, B inverse B inverse is equal to adjoint B is equal to determinant of B is equal to 20, and the adjoint B, note down the adjoint B value, write down here. Now simplify, this is the B inverse. Now the A inverse and B inverse is find out. Now we find the value of A multiplied by B. A multiplied by B. AB equal to A multiplied by B. A B equal to, note down the matrix A. Matrix A is, note down here and write down here, into B. Note down the matrix B value and write down here. Now the multiplication, row by multiply by the column, row multiply by the column. In the next step, three multiply by three multiply by 4, 3 multiply by 4. First row, first column element multiply, then 3 multiply by 4. Second, first row, second element is 1 multiply with the corresponding element is 2, then and sign with the sign plus 1 multiply by 2. This is the first row, first column multiplication. Now the first row multiply the second column, 3 multiply by 0, 3 multiply by 0, then taking the sign plus, and second element is 1, the corresponding element is 5, 1 multiply by 5. Then the next second row, first element, second row, first column, 4 multiply by 4 plus 0 multiply by 2. 4 multiply by 4, 0 multiply by 2. Second row multiply second column, 4 multiply by 0 and 0 multiply by 5. It is clear this is the multiplication of the matrix A and B. Now simplify. 3 4 is 12 plus 2 1 is 2 3 into 0 0 5 1 is 5 4 4 is 16 0 plus 2 0 4 into 0 0 plus 0 into 5 0 then 12 plus 2 14 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 16, 16, 0 plus 0, 0. This is the value of AB. Now find the A inverse, AB inverse. Now we take left hand side. LHS equal to AB inverse. Equal to now we find the determinant. First we find the determinant of AB. Is equal to the difference of the cross multiplication of its element. 14 into 0 note down here and find the value is equal to the difference of the cross multiplication of element. 14 multiplied by 0 minus 16 into 5 is equal to 0 minus 80. The value is equal to minus 80. It is clear, everyone? Now we find the cofactor or the value of the adjoint of AB. Now we find the adjoint AB. Adjoint AB is equal to adjoint AB is equal to the difference interchange the main diagonal element 14 replaced by 0 and 0 replaced by 14 and the sign of the change of main of diagonal element 5 replaced by minus 5 and 16 replaced by minus 16. This is the adjoint AB. Now AB inverse is equal to AB adjoint of AB upon determinant of AB. Now put the value of adjoint AB and determinant of AB in the next step. Adjoint of AB is equal to 1 and determinant of AB, the value is minus 80. Now the adjoint note down the value on adjoint AB. Now this is the AB inverse. This is the LHS. Now we find the RHS side. RHS side, RHS, right hand side. Right, RHS is given B inverse to A inverse. Note down here. Now B inverse is equal to B inverse value is find out here. Note down and write down here. Multiplication A inverse value, note down here and write down here. The value is a B inverse (20 4 80 minus 80). And the row is multiplied by the column. First row multiplied by first column, 5 multiplied by 0 plus 0 multiplied by 4 minus 4 then the first row multiplied by the second column, 5 multiplied by 1 minus 1, 5 multiplied by minus 1 plus 0 multiplied by 3, 0 multiplied by 3, 5 multiplied by minus 1, 0 multiplied by 3. Then the second row multiplied by the first column. First row, first column, first row, all the column multiplication is complete. Now we come in the second row multiply 1 by 1 each column. Second row multiplied by the first column, minus 2 multiplied by the 0 plus 4 multiplied by minus 4, then take the sign plus, then take the second row multiply second column, minus 2 multiply minus 1 plus 4 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 3. The second row, second column multiplication is complete. Now simplify in the next step. Five multiplied by 0 is 0 and 0. Answer is 0 minus 5 minus 16 minus 1 is plus 2 minus minus plus 2 14, 12 plus 2 14. This is the RHS value. Now compare both the value are equal or not. This is the right hand side. Now we check the right hand side and the left hand side are equal or not. The left hand side is 1 upon minus 80, 1 upon minus 80, 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5, minus 16, 14. Both the value are equal. Hence LHS equal to RHS. RHS. Both the side are equal. It is clear. Now the verify its property or the multiplication, inverse multiplication. It is clear, everyone. This is the good question or based on the inverse property. Now next one question. This is the most important question and come throughout in the various university paper. So that matrix A satisfy the equation AQ minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4A. Now solve.